Hello students, I am Dr. Nidhi Mishra, Assistant Professor English, Govind Sarang Government Law College, Bhatapara. And today's topic of my lecture is articles a and the. So let us see the definition of articles. Basically, an article is a type of an adjective. Like adjectives, articles modify nouns. Articles are used before nouns or noun equivalents. And in English there are three kinds of articles. A is indefinite article, an is indefinite article, and the is definite article. Now let us see how articles are used. Articles are used with countable nouns, which means that it can be counted or quantities are specified. Articles are also used with uncountable nouns, that means which cannot be counted or is of indefinite quality. Further, countable nouns are either singular or plural. Singular means one or plural means more than one. So countable nouns may be singular or plural, but uncountable nouns are always in singular form. That means they are always one. Okay, now there are three rules regarding articles. Now let us see them. Rule number 1. When specific identity is not known, then in countable nouns a or an is used. Rule number 2. When specific identity of noun is known, then in countable nouns the is used, and in non-countable nouns or uncountable nouns the is again used. Rule number 3. When all things or things in general are said, then countable nouns no article are used, as well as in uncountable nouns no articles are used. Now let us see in detail what are the rules. Rule 1. Use of indefinite article. When specific identity of nouns is not known, or which are indefinite in number, we use indefinite articles a or an. And we should remember that these must be singular countable nouns whose specific identity or number is not known. So let's see once again. When the noun is indefinite or when specific identity of noun is not known, we always use a or an, and we should always remember it should be singular. That means it should be one. The noun should be one. Now again we will see that it is further divided into the use of a or an. Now, use of indefinite article a. Before a consonant a is used, like consonant B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. When the noun starts from the word B, A is used. When the noun starts from the alphabet C, A is used. D, A is used. Before F, A is used. Before G, A is used. Now let us look at example. A cat, a boy, a chair, a tree, a box, a car, etc. And now we shall look at the sentences. He was sitting on a chair. See, a chair is a consonant C. A chair. There is a book. B is consonant, so a. There is a book. He is a boy. B is consonant, so a. He is a boy. I own a dog. D is consonant, so a. A is used. That man is a thief. T is used for the thief, so a is used before the thief. Now use of indefinite article and. Before a vowel an is used. And what are vowels? A, E, I, O, U. Now for example, an apple, an umbrella, an ink bottle, an orange, an elephant. So all the vowel sounds, they must have an before them. Like apple, A has an, umbrella, U has an ink bottle, ink, I has an orange, O has an elephant, E has an before them. Now we shall see its usage in a sentence. Ram was eating an apple. I think an animal is in the garage. Mohan lives in an apartment. She is eating an orange. Okay, now we shall look at the rule 2. It is the use of definite article the. We will use definite article the with noun when the specific identity of the noun is known to the reader. That means there is definiteness of the noun and it is visible to the reader. Then we will use the article the before that particular noun. These nouns can be singular or plural, countable or uncountable. Now let us see the example. The apple was fresh and juicy. The girl was beautiful. Now there are certain rules for using the. First of all, the is used with all the unique special things in the world. Example, the Taj Mahal, the sun, the moon, the Mahabharata, the Ramayana, the Himalayas, etc. Second, the is used with specific places that have no name. For example, the library, the bookstore, the cafeteria. Okay, third, the is also used with the names of oceans, rivers, seas, canals. Example, the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Amazon, the Ganga, the Nile River, etc. Fourth, the is used if a specific person has a title or if only one person has a title. For example, the president, the doctor, the Queen of England, the Prime Minister, etc. Now, the is also used if the name of the country is plural or indicates a group of states, islands, etc. For example, the United States, the Netherlands, the Canary Islands, etc. Now, the is also used when it is accompanied by the word of. For example, the Republic of China, the State Bank of India, the University of Columbia. Now we shall look at rule 3. That means all things in general. All things or things in general does not require any kind of article. For example, trees are beautiful in the winter. That means all trees are beautiful in winter, as said in general sense. Hence, it needs no article. So, no article will come. Neither a, an or the. Second example. Mohan was asking for advice. Now, again, let us see the sentence. Mohan was asking for advice. This advice is in general. So, it does not need any article. Next sentence. I do not like coffee. And what the sentence is saying? That I don't like coffee in general. So again, no article is needed. A, an or the. These all things are said in general. So it does not require any kind of article. So these are 3 rules regarding the articles a and the, and I hope that you have all understood. It is a very easy topic and all you have to remember is the indefinite and definite quality of the noun. If there is indefinite quality of noun, then you have to use a or an. Now a is used before the consonant sound and an is used before the vowel sound. And if it is a definite article, if the noun is definite in sense, specific quantity is known, then you will use the. And third point is that all the things said in general, they don't require any kind of articles. So that's it, and please practice the topic and it will make you understand more about the topic. Thank you.